Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to the Pia Tutorial channel. I welcoming you from my inner core of my heart. I'm feeling so good that we have met again after a long break. But this time, we have changed the pattern and somehow it will be useful in your future. I guarantee it. And I will bring more videos in this channel. So without any further delay, let's move into today's topic. In this episode, we have American English pronunciation versus British English pronunciation. It's a common pronunciation. Everything depends on these two. Whether you are acquainted in American English or whether in British English. But mostly and commonly students prefer American English over British English. So today I'm showing you the pictures of some common words and you try to guess it, and afterwards I will say the American and the British pronunciation of it. So what do you call this thing? In American English it's called as truck, but in British English it's called as lorry. What do you call this one? In American pronunciation, it's called as mailbox, but in British, it's called as postbox. And what do you call this? Pretty tricky, right? I don't think you can get it. This is a crib in American English, but this is a cot in British English. Crib, cot. Don't they sound similar? Okay, let's move into the next one. What do you call this? I'm pretty sure it's not donuts, it's something else. Try to guess it. Come on, say it fast. In American English it's called as biscuit, but in British English it's called as cookie. Oh my god, I didn't knew that. Biscuit. How does this looks like a biscuit and how does this looks like a cookie? Anyways, let's move into the next one. Are you sure you will guess it? I don't think you can. What's this? I think it's pretty hard to guess it, What's this? Did you get it? In American English it's called as movie, but in British English it's called as film. But I see people commonly referring to American English saying movie rather than film. Okay, let's move into the next one. What do you call this thing? It's not a cinema or anything else or something stage going on. You just get the red part. Guess it. Come on, guess it fast. Time's running out. In American English, it's called as drapes, but in British English, it's called as curtains. Oh, I didn't knew that. American English we're calling it drapes? I thought drapes were dripping a sari, but here drapes means something else. Drapes means curtains. Drape means to drape a sari. Curtains, yeah, I knew it before. So let's move to the next one. What do you call this thing? Oh wow, is it flying? Oh no, it's not. What do you call this? I'm pretty sure I call this something else. Oh my god, I thought it was shoe. In American English, it's known as sneakers, but in British English, it's known as trainers. Oh, trainers? I thought trainers were someone who trains. Okay, these two are really doubtable. And that's it. Subscribe for more. And thank you for watching this. I'm definitely bringing a lot more British and American pronunciation in this channel. So keep in touch. I'll do some more videos on these. Bye.